Hi parents, students, and educators. Dr. Ivan here with Inside Education. This week we're covering My Humble Education and What Families Really Want from Their Schools by Alina Adams. Ms. Adams has worked with new immigrant families, first generation families, minority families for years, and in her research she wanted to make sure to capture the exact demographic breakup of New York City. Parents asked for a few specific things. First of all, they want transportation to good and safe schools. They want to have buses available to go have their children reach the best schools. They want to also ensure that these schools are not bullying environments, and they want to be safe from bullying. Finally, parents also want to make sure that special needs services are met, whether it's individualized education plans, 504 plans for children with a variety of medical conditions. We want to make sure that there's proper academics for special needs children and access to good classes and a good, healthy environment. Big shouts to the 74 for covering Ms. Adams. Tune in next time for Inside Education as we take a deeper dive.